Hi, today I want to show you how to cook the lotus with meat and carrots and soybean. Okay, and I also will put some the onion and garlic and cilantro. Now we first have to these are already prepared, so I first want to mix with the pickle it. Okay, now we put a little bit soybean sauce, red soybean sauce, okay, and then rice wine. So I can okay, and then white pepper powder, chicken powder, salt, and don't forget we always need to put the starch. Because you put the starch, you make the meat more soft, okay? So why I want to first prepare for the meat, because the meat I want to pickle for a little bit, because later we need to cut the what's it called? Cut the lotus. Oh, I'm sorry. It's my first time to do the video, so a little bit nervous. I hope the starch is enough. Because soybean sauce and the wine and then made the meat seems a little more water there, but it's okay because this will. I didn't put the sugar. Why, you know? I don't like to eat too much sugar, and then the sugar make my stomach a little bit sour. So if you want to put the sugar, it's okay. Put the sugar is more taste. When I was young, I will put the sugar, but right now I'm not. Okay, why I put this time? I cooked with the carrots. Carrots is sweet, so it can instead sugar. Okay, so I put the meat aside for a while. So I already cut the. This one. What is one? This is lotus. I'm not sure the American people eat the lotus or not, okay? But we do. So, and then before I want to prepare earlier, but I think I just left the quarter here. Why, you know? I want to show you. You cut the lotus because we cut the slicely, like this one slicely, but you cannot cut this way because the lotus have lots of hole. If you cut this way slicely, you know what will happen? It will be very small pieces. It's not good because the slice like this one, okay, otherwise it will be very mess. So look at me how you do it. I cook this, cut this way, one. Okay, then we cut again. See this one? You see, I put it in the water. You know why I put in the water? because lotus very easy turn to dark color. So you put the water, make its color looks nicely. But once you cook it, sometimes will turn dark color again. But it's okay. But you still can eat, no problem. Okay. Now think for a while, and also I need one garlic. Okay. So the garlic I cut it very small. I do not have the garlic, the crush machine. I don't know. Some people tell me to buy it. I do not buy it. I think I have too much toys in the kitchen. We have the small kitchen. I don't want to. Here there are a lot of things. So just using the knife. Okay. It's very easy, huh? Okay, now I'm done. So let me wash my hands first, okay? Okay. So my first things is working with my meat. The meat we need first to cook it. So I put one. I don't want to put too much oil. I don't like to eat too much oil. So actually I put this, sauce can 40. Actually you need, I forget one thing. You need to put the sesame oil. I forget sesame oil. Yes, you need to put the sesame oil. Sesame oil make it very, very, yes, not too much, okay? So you need to stir it again. So fully absorb the sauce. Okay, now what you do is you put the meat inside. Okay. I do not have using lots of meat. You know why? If you are young people, you do not have high cholesterol. I have a little bit high cholesterol, so I'm watch my diet very carefully. Okay, now this way is okay. If you blah 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 the sounds, then you can turn off. Turn off and then take the meat out. And if you're a younger person, you can put more meat. Of course, have more meat of more taste. When I was young, I eat lots of meat. But now, I just put a little meat. Why? Just for taste. Sometimes the meat I put in the vegetable to cook the stir fry together, I may not eat the meat, but I want the meat taste in the vegetable. Okay, now next is I put 1 spoon. Let me see how many food I have. Okay, 1 spoon, 1.5 teaspoon. Okay, I still don't want too much oil. Okay, now this time we need to take the water away of the bowl. Until it's ready to cook. we take the water away, okay? And now here is a spicy, okay? So how many spicy? Because I want spicy also is for the taste, so I wouldn't put a lot of spicy, okay? If you like spicy, more spicy, you can put more, okay? I just this little enough. I don't want to put too much. Or maybe add more, little bit more. Okay. Now you fry it. Then what do? I put this one inside. This is onion, green onion. I put it inside. Okay. After green onion, I put this one. What is one? This is Lee Kong King original stir-fry sauce. Actually, we call the oyster sauce. Okay, let me see how many. It depends on you. Okay, you can put more. You can just 1 spoon is okay. Okay, 2 spoons also is good. It depends on you. Everybody. Okay, now I put the garlic in. Oh, the smell is so nice. Garlic. Oh, it smells good. Okay, now is the time I put this. And then soybean. Okay, like that. I need to stir up. So now what I put cilantro in there. I first put half of it. Okay. Oh, that smells good. I don't know. My husband not really like cilantro uncooked, so I tried this uncooked cilantro with him. But I don't know. I like cilantro. No matter it's cooked or uncooked, I always like it. Okay, now is the time for you put the meat in. Okay, but also in this time you can put the salt. Let me put the salt because meat already have salt. I put some salt. I don't like a lot of salt. Why Because Lotus, I want to eat the original taste of Lotus. So I just little salt. And again is what this one? Chicken powder, okay? I'm afraid to put too much, Okay, now stir it. Okay, meat in. If too dry, what you can do is put some water in. Now, this is the last cilantro put in. Some people like put the, before cook the lotus, put in the boiled water. So, okay. But I don't do that way. Because I want to eat it and with the crispy, I like this way. So, because lotus, you even don't need to cook it, you can eat the fruit. So it's done. So what I'm doing is turn off it and take it out. Okay. So this is the taste is very good. I'm sure it's very good. I love it. Let me try it. Okay. I put not a lot of salt. So it depends on you because we don't like to eat too salt food. Okay. Perfect. Really perfect. Why lotus inside have a little bit sweet, so you don't need to put too much salt. A little bit of salt is good, okay? And in outside have meat taste, but inside is lotus taste. Really, really good. I love it. Really love it. I eat this one. I can eat this one as I don't need to eat the rice. Don't need the bread. I just eat this one. Like my meal. Perfect. It's healthy, nutritious, and tasty. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, next time I will show you another kind of things. Thank you. Bye. I need to turn off it.